That's one.
So right now I just want to finish up the drivetrain. And that's going to be just tightening all the bolts that I need to on the axles and walking my way up and filling up the transmission. Now in the last video I filled the shifter turret with the remaining gear oil I had from the last time I drained it, I guess. According to Google, I'm going to need 2.1 quarts and I bought 2. And I'm going to hope that there's enough left in that one just to get me by. A lot of work's going to be underneath the car. Yeah, we're going to start back here. The main axle nut I never torqued because I don't have a torque wrench. So without further ado, let's get this tire off and get to work. And off you go. So as you can see, this guy was just threaded on. That's it. Before I go all torquing willy-nilly, I gotta get a jack under here, and we're gonna simulate road weight, and we're going to compress the suspension, click clack, torque everything down. To grab this guy. Shit. Oh shit. The suspension preloaded. We're gonna start with the top one, which is the upper control arm, and that's gonna be torqued to about 45 foot-pounds. Let's get to wrenching. Good. So since this is a track car, I'm gonna put a indicator strip just to see if the bolt came loose, because you know, it's a good idea. Beautiful. Now it's gonna leave us with the lower control arm outer bolt. We're gonna get this to 50 foot-pounds. So I actually don't have the right wrench. This is a standard 13/16. Whatever that is in millimeter, I don't have it. Anyways, let's get this fucker on here. Now we're holding the left hand, driving with the right. Some clickies. One more time. Apply our indicator. So without further ado, I'm going to use my 3/8 torque wrench to torque this to 200 foot-pounds. Now we're just gonna have to hammer in that little notch. It's gonna be our last measure, just in case it decides to walk loose. All this is gonna need is a flathead and some anchor. Good enough. Now I can remove the preload from the suspension. So that's gonna finish up everything that we were doing inside here. Now we're going to secure the bolts that are mounting the differential, and that is going to be a blistering 75 foot-pounds all underneath the car.
Okay, so without further ado, I really should have stretched before that. That's one. Here's number 2. Not forget our indicator.
I'm not gonna torque the wheels because I'm probably taking it off again. So I know the objective of this video was originally to get the transmission full, but given the fact that if I can't fill the differential in the transmission, why even bother? So instead, you're just gonna have to come back for the next video.